Standard 8 Subject Social Science Chapter number 9 The Freedom Movement of 1857 CE. In chapter number 6 we have learned about the effects of British rule in India, how the farmers were uh, forcefully given their land and their revenue to the Britishers. Then we have learned about the social life of our Indians, how it affected by the Britishers and in industries. In chapter number 9, we are going to learn about how the freedom movement started in India and what were the reasons behind it. After so much effect of British rule on the people and life of people of India, they all started freedom movement in 1857. Nationalism emerged in India due to arrival of Europeans, but also their behavior and policies. Their behavior and policies were against the culture thinking of the Indian people. Therefore, they were not ready to accept the behavior and policies of Britishers. Thus, in 1857, which became the first in the factor responsible for consolidating the sentiments of nationalism. Why the revolt or the freedom movement started in 1857? What are the main reasons for it? The main reason for 1857 was the dissatisfaction among the people because Britishers were the superpower and people have to adopt their policies. Therefore, there was dissatisfaction among them. Which were the reasons for the revolt? The first and important reason was social and religious reasons. Social life and religion of the people. As we know, in India, mainly there are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and other community. But after the arrival of Britishers, the people also started following Christian religion. So many people were thinking that they are ruling over us because they want us to convert into Christianity. The policy of social reform by the company made people feel insecure and suspicious because they think that the government or the Britishers try to convert them into Christianity and it will destroy our Indian culture. Indian social system was undermined in railways, jails, and military. Larger section of our society was orthodox, means of old thinking. Orthodox means old thinking. The new changes arouse dissatisfaction. They are not accepting the new changes in the society. They are not accepting English educations or the policies of Britishers. As a result, people started freedom movement to save their society and religious structure. Second important reason was economic reason, that means way of earning livelihood. The aim of British was to bring the prosperity or bring the wealth to England from the India. As we all know, in the first chapter we have learned why Britishers came to India. So they came to India for spices, grains, silk, cotton, etc. These are all the commodities which were produced in high quality in India. So they want England to earn all the wealth from India. As a result, the economic conditions of India become worsened. Therefore, the landlords and peasants means farmers, lost their land and participated in the revolt to gain their land and revenue back. Britishers were gaining more revenue and land from the farmers and the landlords. Third important reason was political reasons. As Britishers started ruling over India, the kings or the queens were not having any right to rule over their state. Therefore, they also started to join the revolt. East India Company acquired the Diwani rights. Diwani rights means right to collect the tax or the revenue or income. As a result of their victory in Battle of Buxar, in first chapter we have learned about Battle of Buxar and Battle of Plassey. After the Battle of Buxar, East India Company have right to collect all the taxes from the state which have accepted the subsidiary alliance system. In subsidiary alliance system, Jhansi and Bihar were also the victim of that system. So, Rani Lakshmibai and Raja Kunwar Singh of Bihar joined the revolt and started to regain their own territory. Territory means region. Landlord and farmers lost their lands, also joined the revolt to gain their land back so that they can farm on it again and earn their livelihood. The main reason behind the freedom movement was to save the Indian culture, Indian religion, political system of India and the other injustice which have done towards India because of the East India Company. Then there is military reason. Britishers were less in number, therefore the ratio was 6 is to 1. That means 6 Indian soldiers and 1 British soldier. In this, they give high positions to Britishers and low positions to Indian soldiers. Indian soldiers. Therefore, the Indian soldiers did not get any opportunity of promotion and very limited Indian soldiers were given the high positions. No one is given high salary and the difference between salary was also big. Indian soldiers and British soldiers were treated differently in the military. Indian soldiers received 7 rupees while British soldiers received 150 rupees per month. These were the salary of soldiers. So here we can see the difference between the soldiers. British soldiers considered the Indian to be low. At that time, because of the orthodox thinking, the Indians were not allowed to go to other countries. And if they are going to other countries overseas, they will be outcast. That means उनको कास्ट से निकाल देंगे. Despite of this custom, they were forcefully sent to other countries to fight for the Britishers. And thus their religion was at stake. So Indian soldiers started to go against the Britishers and also join the freedom movement in 1857. Other Indian soldiers too felt the soldiers being part from Indian society said the same sentiments and grief. So here we have seen that the common people, then farmers, landlords, businessmen, king, and also military, all the prominent people of the Indian society started the freedom movement for India. The immediate reason was the anger among the people towards the British rule. In January 1857, a new rifle, Enfield rifle, was introduced in Indian Army. New gun was introduced. The cartridge of this rifle was bitten off before being used. This cartridge was greased with the fat of cow and pig. For Hindus, the beef, and for Muslims, the pork were prohibited by their religions. That means beef of cow and pork of pig were prohibited due to the religion customs. Hence, they were denying the use of this rifle. Britishers were deliberately trying to dissatisfy the religion, thus, the response of their complaints regarded not satisfactory. Hence, the 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of cartridge. As a result, the entire battalion was disbanded. At last, the people started the freedom movement in 1857. In next part, we will learn about the work done by Mangal Pandey. Till then, you have to read all the reasons why the freedom movement started in 1857. Thank you.